Top 5 Best Shotguns for Home Defense. When your safety is on the line and seconds count, few tools deliver raw stopping power like a shotgun. In close quarters self-defense, nothing sends a clearer message than the sound of a pump action being racked. But not all shotguns are created equal. Whether you're protecting your home or preparing for the unexpected, these are the top 5 shotguns built to defend when it matters most. Fast, reliable, devastating. Let's break down the best choices that put power and control right in your hands. Number 5. Winchester SX4 Defender, a classic reimagined for today's fight. If tradition and innovation had a perfect middle ground, it would be the Winchester SX4 Defender. Born from a company that's been building guns since 1866, this semi-auto blends heritage with cutting-edge functionality to deliver a shotgun that feels right at home in modern defensive roles. The heart of the SX4 is its active valve gas system, known for fast, reliable cycling across a wide range of loads, from light target shells to full-power buckshot. That kind of flexibility is gold in a home defense shotgun, especially when you want to train with one load and defend with another. The 18.5-inch barrel is compact enough for tight corners, but long enough to preserve velocity. The Invector Plus choke system gives you solid pattern control out of the box, with full, modified and improved cylinder options included, a rare touch in this price range. Let's talk handling. At just under 7 lbs, the SX4 Defender feels quick and responsive without punishing your shoulder. The Inflex 2 recoil pad genuinely makes a difference, taking the sting out of heavier loads and keeping you on target. The LPA Ghost Ring sights are a highlight, fast, accurate, and confidence-boosting in low light. Objectively, it's a reliable, well-built, and smartly priced shotgun. The Cerakote finish on the barrel and aluminum receiver not only looks great in flat, dark earth, but also adds real-world durability and corrosion resistance. Subjectively, this one surprised me. It's not the flashiest option, but it feels purposeful. The textured grip surfaces are well placed, the balance is excellent, and cycling is buttery smooth. It doesn't just shoot well, it handles like it's meant to be used. At around $900, the SX4 Defender hits that sweet spot between budget and premium. It's tough, practical, and backed by a name with serious history. Final verdict? The Winchester SX4 Defender doesn't just perform, it respects your expectations. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or building your first home defense setup, this shotgun delivers where it matters most. It's smart, solid, and absolutely worthy of a place in your arsenal. Number 4. Stoeger M3000 Pistol Grip. No-nonsense reliability with a tactical edge. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills semi-auto that doesn't break the bank but still performs when it counts, the Stoeger M3000 Pistol Grip deserves your attention. Built around an inertia-driven system, this shotgun skips the complexity of gas operation and delivers clean, consistent cycling with fewer moving parts and less maintenance. Let's talk performance. The 18.5-inch barrel hits the sweet spot between maneuverability and ballistic efficiency, while the pistol grip gives it a tactical advantage. Better recoil control, steadier follow-up shots, and overall improved handling under pressure. It feels stable, even when you're pushing rapid shots. The 4+1 capacity may seem modest compared to high-capacity competitors, but it keeps the profile clean and compact. And the included choke set improved cylinder, modified and extra full adds impressive versatility, whether you're defending your home or taking it to the range. Objectively, the M3000 holds its own. It's well-balanced, handles a variety of 12-gauge loads once broken in, and the 7.4 lb weight helps absorb recoil without dragging you down. It's drilled and tapped for optics, and the red bar front sight is quick to align for close-range engagements. Subjectively, I didn't expect to enjoy this shotgun as much as I did. The recoil is manageable, cycling is smooth, and the pistol grip makes a bigger difference than I anticipated. It's not flashy, but it's solid. It's the kind of shotgun that earns your trust shot after shot. At around $700, the Stoeger M3000 is a tremendous value. You're getting Italian design, inertia-driven simplicity, and enough tactical flair to make it a serious home defense option. Final verdict, the Stoeger M3000 Pistol Grip is the dependable workhorse in a world full of show ponies. It's not the most customizable or capacity-heavy option, but it's honest, rugged, and ready when you are. For anyone wanting a reliable semi-auto without the premium price tag, this is a shotgun that absolutely delivers. Number 3. Remington V3 Tactical. Built for the fight, refined for the home. The Remington V3 Tactical doesn't just join the conversation about top home defense shotguns, it demands attention. Designed with purpose and packed with practical features, this semi-auto brings together reliability, control, and real-world usability like few others. At its core is the VersaPort gas system, which automatically adjusts to shell length. Whether you're running light target loads or full-power buckshot, the V3 cycles cleanly and consistently. No manual adjustments, no drama, just dependable function every time, and in a home defense scenario, that matters. Where the V3 stands out is in the details. Oversized controls, charging handle, bolt release, safety, make operation easy even under stress or with gloves. The flared loading port allows for faster reloads, and the 6+1 capacity gives you more than enough stopping power. The 18.5 barrel with a fixed improved cylinder choke delivers tight, consistent patterns, perfect for indoor defense distances. Meanwhile, the XS low-profile sights are fast, clear, and won't snag when you need speed most. Objectively, this is a well-balanced shotgun. At 7.6 lbs, it's hefty enough to tame recoil but still maneuverable. The Supercell recoil pad softens the punch, making follow-up shots faster and more accurate. Subjectively, after running a few hundred rounds through the V3, I came away impressed. The gun feels purpose-built. Every curve, every control feels intentional. It doesn't try to wow you with flash, it earns your trust with performance. Priced around $1,000, it's not a budget gun, but you're getting a high-quality, American-made platform designed for serious defense. It's a rock-solid middle ground between tactical excess and practical readiness. Final verdict: the Remington V3 Tactical is a smart, capable choice for anyone serious about protecting their home. It's intuitive, reliable, and refined, everything a modern defensive shotgun should be. Whether you're new to home defense or a seasoned shooter, the V3 is a platform you can count on when it counts most. Number 2. Mossberg 590. Shockwave Compact Power Redefined. Coming in like a sledgehammer wrapped in finesse, the Mossberg 590 Shockwave isn't just a shotgun, it's a statement. Compact, mean, and unapologetically bold, this firearm reinvented the idea of close-quarters home defense. And, trust me, once you've handled one, it's hard to go back to traditional form factors. At just 26.37 inches overall, the Shockwave tucks neatly into tight spaces, stairwells, closets, or even under a bed. But don't let the size fool you. This isn't a novelty piece. With its 14.375-inch heavy-walled barrel, dual extractors, steel-to-steel lockup, and twin action bars, you're getting the full Mossberg 590 lineage packed into a radically shortened profile. What makes it truly iconic is that bird's head grip. It looks unconventional, and it is. But that's exactly why it works. It allows for better control under recoil, without the excessive muzzle rise you'd expect from such a short and light platform. Combined with the corncob foregrip with integrated strap, you get a stable, controlled shooting experience that's surprisingly manageable once you put in the range time. Objectively, the Shockwave is reliable to a fault. It cycles cleanly, it feeds consistently, and it thrives on the simplicity of pump action. You can load it with buckshot, slugs, or mini-shells with an adapter, and it just works. Its 5+1 capacity is solid for such a compact design, and at just 5.25 lbs, it's a featherweight champion in a division full of heavy hitters. Subjectively, I'll be honest, the first few times I shot it, the ergonomics took some getting used to. This isn't a shoulder-fired platform. You need to understand your grip, stance, and angles. But once I adapted, the Shockwave became fun, fast, and incredibly confidence-inspiring in close quarters. Is it for everyone? No. It requires practice, discipline, and a strong understanding of shot placement and control. But for those willing to put in the effort, it rewards you with one of the most maneuverable, intimidating, and effective home defense tools on the market. Final verdict: the Mossberg 590 Shockwave isn't just a defensive firearm, it's a paradigm shift. For under $500, you're getting innovation, heritage, and raw practicality wrapped in a form factor that turns heads and wins fights. If you're limited on space or just love the idea of compact firepower that doesn't cut corners, the Shockwave might just be your next best investment. Number 1. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol, the pinnacle of home defense shotguns in 2025. When it comes to home defense in 2025, few shotguns strike a balance between tactical performance, intuitive handling, and rock-solid reliability like the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. It's not just a shotgun, it's a purpose-built defensive platform refined by centuries of Beretta craftsmanship. Right out of the gate, what sets the A300 Ultima Patrol apart is its intentional design for high-stress situations. Everything about it screams readiness, from the enlarged loading port and oversized controls to the aggressively textured grips. You don't just operate this shotgun, you command it. Whether you're wearing gloves or acting under adrenaline, each control feels deliberate and accessible. The shortened 13 length of pull is a brilliant touch for maneuverability in tight hallways or corners, especially in home defense scenarios where every second and every inch counts. The 7+1 capacity offers ample firepower, while the 19.1-inch barrel slightly edges out competitors in velocity without adding bulk. You'll appreciate the extra punch without sacrificing maneuverability. Ergonomically, it feels tailored rather than off the shelf. The reversible safety is a thoughtful nod to left-handed shooters, while the 7-slot Picatinny rail, M-LOK mounts, and QD sling points provide unmatched customization options. Want a flashlight, sling, or red dot? This shotgun says, "Go ahead, I'm ready." Objectively, the A300 Ultima Patrol offers battle-tested reliability backed by the Beretta name. Its 7075 TIX aluminum receiver ensures durability under hard use, yet the overall weight remains manageable, even for extended sessions on the range or prolonged home duty readiness. Subjectively, I can say this: after running a few hundred shells through it, from light loads to buckshot, this gun just performs. Clean cycling, minimal recoil thanks to that solid internal buffer system, and fast target reacquisition. It's a shooter's shotgun. If there's a downside, it might be the price point of around $1,150, not outrageous, but not entry-level either. Still, you're paying for reliability, flexibility, and defensive peace of mind. In this case, it's worth every cent. Final verdict: for anyone serious about home defense and wanting a semi-auto that's equally at home in a tactical setup or mounted above your bedroom closet, the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol is hard to beat. It doesn't just make our list, it earns its place at the very top. Which shotgun would you trust the most in a real self-defense situation? Or is there one we missed that deserves to be on the list? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our next reviews, breakdowns, and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.